irrational. We have to show that. So to prove this one it is irrational, we have to assume that this is a rational number. We have to assume 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Is a rational number, so this can be written as equal to p by q. So that is, in rational numbers are in the form of p by q. So therefore we can write here 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to p upon q. Here p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0, and p comma q are co-primes. Now this is also very simple problem actually. In this, just we have to transpose 3 from left to right. So now we can write 2 root 5 equal to p upon q minus 3. To simplifying the right hand side, we have to take the denominator of 3 1. So now again you can write this one 2 root 5 equal to, here LCM is q. So p minus, this one must be multiplied by q, the numerator also you have to multiply 3q. So p minus 3q. Now this 2 is to be transposed from left to right. Transposing from left to right, this one becomes here root 5 equal to p minus 3q upon 2q. So here you see in the right hand side, for all the values of p and q, p minus 3q by 2q becomes rational. So means this one is rational number. This one is rational. So this one is rational according to that LHS is equal to RHS, and this must be rational. But we know that root 5 is an irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. So therefore we can say that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Here the next problem, 5 root 2 plus root 3. Here also we have to assume that we have to assume that 5 root 2 plus root 3 is a rational number. When it is a rational number, so we can write 5 root 2 plus root 3 equal to p upon q. Here the same process, p comma q are integers and q not equal to 0 and p comma q are co-primes. So basing on this, now what we have to do here? Here the sum of the two rational numbers here, we have to show that that is a rational number. In this, if the given number is in this form, we have to take squaring on both sides. The first condition here, we have to take squaring on both sides here. Squaring on both sides. So here we can write this one, 5 root 2 plus root 3 whole square equal to p upon q whole square. Okay. So now this is in the a plus b whole square form here. Here you can write a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a by b whole square can be written as a square by b square. Using these two, so we can simplify the given mathematical phenomenon. So now you can write this one, 5 root 2 whole square, this is the a, root 3 whole square, this one is b square, plus 2 times 5 root 2 times root 3, this is the 2ab, equal to p square upon q square. So now we can, this one is 5 square root 2 whole square. 5 square means this one you can write 25 to the 50. This value becomes here 50. This one is 50 because 5 square root 2 whole square. 5 square means 25, root 2 whole square 2. So 5 times 25 times 2, that is equal to 50. Similar, root 3 whole square, it will be 3 plus 2 times 5, 10, and root 2 times root 3, root 6. So here I can write here root a times root b, you can write root a times b. So here we can write 10 root 6 equal to p square upon q square. Simplifying the left hand side here, 50 plus root 3, it becomes 53 plus 10 root 6 equal to p square upon q square. Now this 53 we have to transpose from left to right. This one becomes 10 root 6 equal to p square by q square minus 53. So again now we have to simplify right hand side here, 10 root 6 equal to, here LCM is q square. So to make it denominator q square, it should be multiplied by q square. So now here we can write p square, this one multiplied by 1, this one also multiplied by 1. So p square only minus 53 q square. So we have to get a rational number in the left hand side, the 10 to be transposed to other side, left to right. To transposing this 10 from left to right, this one becomes root 6 equal to p square minus 53 q square upon 10 q square, 10 q square. Now this whole phenomena, this one is there right hand side, this one is rational number because p and q are integers for all the values of p and q. So this right hand side becomes rational. So therefore when the right hand side is rational, so left hand side LHS must be rational. This must be this must be rational. So we know that but root 6 is a irrational number because we can't express 6 as a square of any other number, so this contradicts the fact. This contradicts the fact. So therefore our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. So therefore we can say that therefore we can say this one is 5 root 3. The problem is here 5 root 2 plus root 3. 5 root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Now here 3 times root 5. Here also we have to assume that. Let us assume 3 root 5 is a rational number. Let us assume that 3 root 5 is a rational number. It is a rational number. We can write in P by Q form. So therefore this one is equal to P upon Q. Here P comma Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 and P comma Q are co-primes, right? So this one is very easy problem. Just we have to transpose 3 from left to right. Transposing 3 from left to right, it becomes denominator here. So therefore we can write root 5 equal to P upon 3Q. So here you see P upon 3Q for all the values of this one become rational. So this one is become rational. Root 5 must be rational, but we know that root 5 is an irrational number. It is an irrational number. So irrational is not equal to rational. It contradicts the fact. This contradicts the, so irrational equal to rational. This contradicts the fact. This contradicts the fact. So therefore 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay.